What's the meaning of assert? Assert. Assert.
Assert. Assert. The term assert means to state a fact or belief confidently and forcefully. It is often used in programming languages to test assumptions and validate inputs. An assertion checks whether a specific condition is true and halts the program if it is false, indicating an error that needs to be addressed. For example, in Python, the assert statement can be used to ensure that a specific variable has a certain value before proceeding with the rest of the code. Asserts help to improve the reliability of software by catching errors early in the development process.